there we go. Alright guys, we are live. So this is the first time I actually scheduled the stream, guys. It's kind of cool. Probably gonna do this next time as well. Let me see if the chat log is working and everything. Can someone... Let me see if the bot is in the chat as well. I am live though. Is anyone in the chat, guys? If you are in the chat, please type something. I think we should be live. I'm gonna check if it actually works now. Let me see. Alright, is this working? It is actually working. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm quickly gonna post the stream on Discord. I'm quickly gonna post the stream on Discord as well. Let me post everything in Discord, guys, and then I will be getting back to you. And be active with the chat. Give me 1 second, guys. I just set up the stream. We're probably not gonna have too many viewers today, because it is bank holiday. So we will see how many people are gonna join the stream. Alright, now I'm gonna share the link. Botrix also joined. Alright, chat seems to be working, that's good. And I am gonna post on Discord and X now, guys. Give me 1 second. And then we will get back to the chat. I'm not in a trade right now, guys. I wanted to actually long. I was thinking of long. I'm gonna tell you what I was thinking yesterday. I did not enter a trade though yet. But I was thinking of opening a long before I went to sleep. But I didn't do it because the liquidity is really thin because of the bank holiday. So I decided not to take this risk. But it would have worked out. It would have worked out really well. Yeah, give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna post the stream now on X and on Discord. There we go. And now I'm quickly gonna post it on X. All right. We have 2 people watching. Welcome to the stream, guys. Tell me if you can hear me well, if the music is fine and everything. And then we're gonna start the stream. So please tell me in the chat if everything sounds fine. I'm not in a trade, guys, and I'm gonna be trading really slow today because it is bank holiday and I don't like the liquidity. Liquidity is usually really thin on bank holidays. Plus we can only trade until 9 p.m. Not 9 p.m., 7 p.m. today. So we will see, guys. We will see. What is wrong with my X? My X is not loading. I want to post this stream, actually. All is fine. Mr. Ben Chabon, welcome in the stream. I haven't seen you in the stream before. I think you are a new viewer. Guys, I want to post the stream, but somehow my X doesn't work. It's kind of important to post it on X. It is not loading. My X is not loading, guys. Does X work for you guys? Or is it just me? I cannot load my X. So I was actually, guys, I was looking to take this trade here. I'm very here at market open. So it would have worked out really well. I did not take it, guys. Why? Because it's bank holiday. But I even made an analysis in the Discord that I was expecting a bullish open. But it would have been a good trade, but it was not an A+ setup. That's why I did not take it. But it's nice to see that it worked out. New here. So we're gonna make a new analysis soon. I'm gonna give you my analysis. I have one trade placed here in case you go lower. I also placed this already at midnight. But sadly we didn't get to this entry. We didn't quite get to this. This would have been the previous day value all along. I'm also gonna show you the order flow soon. Once I actually posted the stream, guys, on X, but my X doesn't want to load. And most of the people always come in from X, so that's kind of unlucky. But yeah, this was the trade that I said at midnight, guys. I even was thinking of longing right here, so this is what I was thinking of taking as well. I didn't take it because it's not an A+ setup. So how was your day so far, guys? Or did you take a trade, or are you also still waiting? New here, that's nice. I'm gonna put out the chat now so I can always see your messages, guys. So let me put this over here. Please tell me it's gonna work. There we go. I need it to be like this, else it's really difficult for me to read the chat. It's a really strange weather today in Switzerland, guys. Really windy and misty. Kinda nice to trade. Alright, now guys, now I can see the chat. So if you have any questions, and let me know how your day was, guys. Did you take any trade so far? Is any one of you in a trade yet? Alright, now we are set up, I think. It always takes me around like 5 to 10 minutes to fully set up the stream. Anyways, I cannot access X. I hope I'm still live. Am I still live on YouTube? Because maybe my internet is also bugging out. We should be live though. No trade today yet. Alright. How did you find my stream, by the way, Mr. Ben Chavon? How did you actually find my stream? That would be nice to know. Did you come here from YouTube or... Because I think the algorithm on YouTube isn't pushing my streams yet. I streamed once before, so I'm gonna take streaming really seriously. I'm gonna try to stream at least 2 or 3 hours every day on my Funded account. And I do everything for free, guys. I don't sell anything. I don't sell a course, I don't sell signals, I don't sell mentorships, I don't sell anything. I was thinking of doing something, but I decided not to do it. Because it would take a lot of time. And it's not worth it for the money I get, actually. It's actually not worth it. I mean... German, I'm from Switzerland. Ich spreche auch Hochdeutsch und ich rede auch Schweizerdeutsch. I can speak Swiss German, normal German and English, guys. These are the 3 languages that I can speak. From X. We also have sorry I'm late in the stream and F. Kuten. I think you guys were in the last stream. Long Bitcoin, I'm in a long as well, mate. I'm also in a Bitcoin long. But I'm not on my futures funded accounts. I take my swing trades on with my own money. Servus, Nivi is also in the stream. Let's go, guys, let's go. I'm chilling right now, guys. Maybe, guys, I gotta be really honest with you. Maybe I'm not gonna take a trade at all today, because I don't like to trade when the liquidity is so thin. The order flow is also not so respected. I mean, I was thinking of longing right at midnight. I also was active in the Discord. I didn't take this long, even though it would have worked out, because it was not an A+ setup, sadly. I wanted to see a little bit lower. This would have been my entry, but it didn't get hit, sadly. So this trade sadly did not get hit. But honestly, what we could have done, what you guys could have done, I just didn't do it because I don't want to take this trade on 10 accounts. You could have actually longed right after midnight, entered a long from the previous levels we also traded last week. So Nivi wrote, he is in no trade right now. He's programming a bot right now for Discord. Oh man, by the way, yes, I saw your message, Nivi. That would be insane. That would be insane if you can actually help me out. There's so many scammers in my Discord. It's absolutely crazy. And I come in here from my giveaways on X, I think. I just banned someone as well on my Discord. Gang. So we have some people in the Discord as well. Good afternoon, family. Let's step into this week focused, disciplined, and ready to win. The market rewards smart decisions and emotion control, not luck. Stick to your plan. That's a good way to start the day. Yeah, I'm not upset about missing this trade, guys. I'm not upset at all. I'm actually, maybe we're not even going to trade today if I don't find any good setup. But right now I'm just waiting for New York Open. I don't want to rush into any trade right now before New York Open, actually. So we're just gonna chill for 50 minutes. We're gonna just chill a bit. A lot of scam with your picture. Yeah, no, I need, guys, honestly, Nivi, if you can code. So Nivi is a guy from Germany, I think, or Switzerland. He just wrote in my Discord that he maybe can help me create a bot, like code one for the Discord that gets rid of all these freaking scammers, man. It's so annoying. It's absolutely pain. Like every day I ban like 20 people. I have to ban around 20 people every day that promote their own stuff because I do everything for free, guys. And now there are scammers in my Discord trying to sell stuff. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I'm on it, bro. That would be insane, bro. That would be crazy. Just if it's possible, Nivi, make it so normal people aren't affected, and also if possible it's not too difficult to join the Discord. You know, that you don't have to do like capture stuff. That's too difficult. Because a lot of people that are new to Discord, they don't know how to fill those captures. And then I can lose members as well. So yeah, that would be cool. But thank you, man. Thanks a lot. That would be really cool. I can give you mod as well, by the way. If you actually create a mod, a bot like this, I'm gonna give you a mod for sure. In the Discord. Because that would be a huge help. So Sam, how was your day? Did you trade today? And who else? Yuppe is also in the stream again. F. Coutin, how was your day? You follow my copy trading on Blowfin. That's an AI from me, by the way, and from me and the Swiss guy. And by the way, for all the people in the copy trading, we are gonna chill in these longs. So we stop the bot. I'm gonna actually close these trades manually. I wanna hold them for longer. The trades from the bot, and after that I might actually start to manually trade on these profiles, so I might actually take over there. Let us first speak when I'm finished. Alright, perfect. Yeah, we are chilling, guys. So we sadly didn't hit this entry here. This was actually my trade that I opened at midnight, but we did not hit the entry. This would have been a banger again though. 2RR. I would have already closed this fully. So if I would have gotten into this trade, I would be out now already. After 2RR. I'm not gonna hold the trades long today because we have a really thin liquidity. I'm not gonna hold any trade above 2RR today. So we're gonna look actually for a scalp trade like on Friday. This is what I wanna see. But let's see what the order flow does, guys. Let me go over to the order flow. Enough of TradingView. Because TradingView is kind of boring, honestly, compared to the order flow software. But you can see there's not a lot of volatility. Look how small the bubbles are, guys, here. So there's basically no volatility right now. We need to wait for New York Open. And this was at midnight, guys, and here I was considering entering along, but we just didn't have enough confluence as well for this trade. This is why I didn't take it, but it would have worked out now, obviously. But it's always easy in hindsight. And yes, this would have been the entry for my trade. So I wanted to enter here, and this is market open at midnight, and we didn't see any pullback into my entry. So yeah, quick recap. But that's part of the game, guys. Most important thing is don't get upset, because in the end of the day, if you don't take a trade, that's also a trade. You know what I mean? Not trading is also taking a trade because you wait for a better entry. That would be great. What would be great? If you look at the order flow, you mean? It's kind of boring. We have almost no volume right now. You can see the volume here. Like it's all white. If it gets green, that means there's a lot of volatility. Here it was green once at 12 AM. But the market is kinda boring right now. So we have to chill, guys. I'm definitely not gonna trade here. I'm not gonna go into any trade right here. And for all the people that actually watched my previous stream, you know how important it was for my strategy to be patient, guys. This is how we had the most insane entries last week as well. I mean, we had sniper entries to the exact dollar last week. On Friday as well. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to wait for a really good entry today. I'm not gonna force any trade right here. Even though we are above the daily VWAP, which is more bullish, I would say. But I don't want to force any trade right here. There's no other level. I want to quickly look at the order flow levels here as well. Guys, look at this. I showed this last week. This is the exact low here. And an absolute strong order flow level. I always trade these levels here. This is what I want to check out. Alright, okay, we have an order flow level, guys, at 6854. That has not been quite hit yet, you can see. A session and time point of control at this level. I'm gonna put this on TradingView. I'm actually quickly gonna put this level on my TradingView chart as well. And guys, look at this. This was the level we traded. This was the level we traded on Friday. This was the exact low. We traded the exact low to the dollar here at 6811. I love this. I really love to trade these order flow levels. They're so accurate. 6855. All right. I'm gonna go to TradingView now. And I'm gonna put this on the chart, guys, because maybe we're gonna enter a trade here. Also have a 1 hour level here. Alright, let me put this on the chart. 6855. It is at the level actually is, guys, that's really important. The level actually is at 6854.75. But I always put the level a little bit higher because sometimes these levels get front run by a little bit. And this is why if I go in a trade here, guys, with a limit order, I would enter it above, a little bit above the level. Alright, so this is a session point of control. So this is the only level to keep in mind. And here is the point of control and the 1 hour level as well. And this is the level that I wanted to trade, but we did not hit. This was the previous day value low of Friday. And I actually wanted to wait for this and trade it into the previous day value area high. But obviously we did not get to the entry, at least for now. Would have been also in confluence with the anchored VWAP here. This would have been a really nice setup. I wish we would have actually went to this entry, guys. It is bank holiday. Yeah, I know. This is why I'm really cautious with trading, and this is why I also didn't long on the market open. Even though I was bullish according to the order flow, I also shared this on my Discord that I expect a bullish open. But as you said, it's risky. I don't like to trade on bank holiday. Why? Because the liquidity is really thin. So we're gonna look for only one trade today. I don't want to take more than one trade. And if there's no trade, guys, if I don't see any trade, I'm not gonna trade at all. And we're gonna really start to trade tomorrow. I don't want to force any trade today. Because as Sam said, it is bank holiday. So liquidity is really thin. We have a big glass today, guys, a big coffee glass. So 40 more minutes. Let me see if my X works again. Because I still didn't manage to post my stream on X. I mean, I posted it yesterday because I'm always gonna schedule my streams from now on. So you will know exactly when I come live. And I'm gonna post them on Discord and on X, just so you know. It's a really cool feature you can use on YouTube to schedule the streams. What is going on with my X? It's so strange. Just doesn't want to load. I mean, there's no volatility right now, guys. No volatility at all. I'm gonna go to the exit shots again. Yeah, let's see if we find a trade today. I mean, there can be still one good trade, possibly today. Would have been nice to. It would be nice if it would have taken this long, obviously now. Then I would just chill in it. Probably stop loss at entry. Are you guys gonna trade today, or are you guys not gonna trade at all? Is anyone of you also gonna trade? But I'm gonna be honest, guys, if you don't find a good level, I'm also not gonna trade. I'm only gonna trade one really good level. And right now we are just not at any area that I would trade. There is some small volume coming in now. New sellers. But it's basically nothing. Guys, do you think New York Open will bring us more volatility today? Probably not, right? Even though, so in 1 hour, in 40 minutes, usually there's New York Open, but because it's bank holiday today, I don't think the impact will be that strong. We'll see. What do you guys think? It's gonna be a slow day, guys. Gonna be a boring stream for the next 1 hour, I think. So what is your trading plan for the day? We're gonna go through it together, guys. We're gonna go through it together. So I'm not gonna go offline just because it's boring. I hope some people are still watching. I don't even know how many viewers we have. But there are some people in the chat still, that's cool. What are you guys looking for? Are you waiting for me, or are you guys also... Do you have a plan for today? Like any level that you guys are looking to trade? That would be really interesting to know. You can also post it on Discord, guys. I will show it in the Discord. I mean through the stream on the Discord. The German chat is getting also more active. Guys, and I'm gonna do everything for free, by the way. We're gonna keep doing everything for free because I think, honestly, I'm getting such cool messages. I got such a nice message yesterday. I posted it on my Instagram story. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can also follow me. I don't post trading content there yet. I only post like motorcycle content. And I'm maybe also gonna post some car content in the future, but for now I've only posted this. And maybe also some trading content. I was thinking, guys, what would you like to... One question to the chat, guys. Would you like to see shorts, like shorts out of the streams, you know what I mean? Like short clips, like 60 seconds out of the stream. Would you actually watch that? Or is it like, no, you wouldn't watch that? Because I'm thinking of posting stuff like this on Instagram. And for sure on YouTube as well. On YouTube I'm definitely gonna post like recaps. I already started that. Werde nebenbei eine Runde spazieren gehen und dir zuschauen. Danach weitermachen beim Bot. Sehr nice, sehr nice. Sorry guys, I was speaking German. Yes, why not? Yeah, I also think it's a cool idea to post like clips out of the stream. That's really the cool thing about streaming, guys. You can like make content really easily. And I'm probably gonna hire someone to do this or find an AI tool, because there are actually AI tools that can help you like with clippings and stuff like this. But I need to try them out. I need to actually try them out if they are good or not. I have no idea. It's a cool day here, guys, in Switzerland. It's actually a cool day today. It was so nice 2 weeks ago. It was really nice weather, but now it's gotten really cold again. And I think tomorrow we're gonna have snow, guys. We're actually gonna have snow, and then you will also see it probably on the mountains if there's gonna be new snow. But I was checking, I think today at midnight there's gonna be new snow in Switzerland here. And it might come down fully, because right now it's in the middle of the mountains. So what is the market doing, guys? Nothing, basically nothing. I mean, why would I ever want to trade this? There's like not even, there's so thin volatility right now, it's crazy. The only trade would have been market open long, honestly. This is the only trade I would never go into long here as well. You have the previous day value low here, point of control. So honestly, if we see a correction, I might enter a long, depending on the order flow as well. But first we need to see a correction. I'm definitely not gonna long here at the VWAP, guys. This is too risky. I'm not gonna enter a long here. I want to see a bigger spike. I want to see us move into one direction, either higher or lower, and then we might enter a short or a long. But right here, guys, at this point, I don't want to enter any trade. It's, yeah. Not a good area for my strategy to trade. It's a really low probability trade. And I don't mind, guys. I don't have to trade today. Honestly, we had such good. Yeah, it's such good. The last 2 months have been insane for me. The last 2 months have been really good for me personally, guys, when it comes to trading. I've made really good progress as well. And I started to go really all in, guys, on journaling as well, on like documenting all the trades and stuff like this with AI. So I always document every trade I take. And this is also why streaming is so good, by the way, guys, for me. I can also watch the recaps of my own trades. This is why I like to stream as well. It actually is good for my trading. It's just really important that when you stream, you don't get influenced by the stream. This is like one of the most important things, because I think especially when I'm gonna get bigger, there will be people like writing go long, go short and stuff like this. And then you just need to be really strict and only obviously trade your own strategy and don't get influenced by others. But I think I will be fine, honestly. Like, I mean, last week I think we also had someone in a short while I was in the long. And I think I told him, yeah, if according to your strategy you're taking a short, then you should keep it. I mean, everyone has their own strategy. Guys, nothing is going on. The market is literally dead right now. I'm just on my phone right now because there's nothing happening. I hope we'll see more volatility, guys, in 30 minutes. I really hope so. Honestly, maybe if we don't see more volatility like at until 4 p.m. So within the next 1 hour, I don't know, then it's probably untradeable today. But I think we're gonna see more volatility. I think we are. Typical bank holiday, yeah, for sure. We can also only trade on FundedNext and on Topstep until what was it, 7 p.m. So this we have to keep in mind. I also posted it on Discord yesterday, once I got that message. I always get these emails when there are like special events, like today bank holidays, because they have different trading hours. But you are allowed to trade, guys, so I could have traded this. I could have taken this long here. I could have taken this long and held it overnight and now been in profit. It is allowed to trade on FundedNext, so. But I also wouldn't recommend trading, especially just don't trade a lot. Only trade the best setups during bank holidays, because you have to keep in mind the liquidity is really thin, and also like order flow levels are not as respected as they are during actual trading hours and not bank holidays, the normal trading days. But we will see, maybe we're gonna find a good trade. I want to see this go lower here. Here maybe we can look for a trade. We also have the order flow level here. We have at the previous day VWAP we have here at 6853, and we have, as I told you before guys, this is the other level we have, this order flow level at 6855. So these will be levels that I might go into long. We will see, depending on the reaction. But these are some interesting levels to look out for today. Or if you go obviously higher for now, from here, I mean, we can look maybe for a short. I'm gonna show you some levels soon which are interesting to short. But overall I would like to look more for longs. I would prefer to go into longs today and not shorts. You can see here these are also some resistance levels to the upside. Previous month open at 6902 and the previous month VWAP at 6930, and then we have some single prints and the previous month point of control here at 6945. Yeah, so these are some levels I'm looking for, and also really strong level, guys, is this here. Gonna quickly show it to you. This is gonna be a kind of strong resistance level at 6966. It's a weekly point of control, naked point of control that hasn't been reached yet. But as I said, right now not at any level that I want to trade. 30 minutes to go. I really admire your approach to the markets. Where should I start studying order flow or any existing methodology recommend? That's a really difficult question, man, because I actually don't even know anyone that does really good order flow videos. I don't know anyone. I don't know any YouTube guy that does really good order flow analysis or explaining how to actually trade it. You're trading Nasdaq, I'm trading ES, Fiolek 49, I trade ES mainly. But ES and Nasdaq are really correlated anyways. Giveaway. To join the giveaway you have to type this here. Wait, I'm gonna type it into the chat, guys. Giveaway. You have to sign up, it's really simple. 2 steps to join the giveaway, guys. You have to sign up using the link. Wait, why isn't it working? Oh, there it is, there's the message. So you have to sign up through this link, guys. Create a new account, press on this link, create a new account. And then after you did this once, you can join the giveaway every week inside my Discord. Under the join giveaway section, we have 87 people that joined the giveaway. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you. You can actually see it now on the stream. So you have to sign up using this link, guys. Then go to this tweet here, like, retweet and tag a friend, and after this you just press this button, and on Friday the giveaway finishes and you'll see who won the giveaway, because this bot always posts the winner, guys. So this is not, I don't decide who wins, it's fully random, and this is the way it's supposed to be. So I cannot decide, but I will check if you signed up through the link, guys, and if you did all the tasks. But this is how you join the giveaway. Let me hide this good again. CryptoBotter is back in the chat as well. Welcome back, CryptoBotter. I hope you had a great day. It's a really boring market today. It's a really, really boring market. So we have to not force any trades. I think my mic was a bit loud just now, guys. Is my mic too loud? So yeah. To join the giveaway, guys, again, someone type the the thing again. You have to sign up using this link. It's really simple. Create a free account after pressing the link. Then go into the Discord. This is my Discord here, guys. It's completely free, the Discord. Here, let me show you. And then you just press this button here. Here are the steps explained as well. So you just join the Discord and read the steps here. And you can join it every week again once you signed up. So you only have to sign up once and then you can join it every week again. So it's really cool. There have been people that won these twice already. I have no idea how, but maybe you could do some nice videos what explains your strategy in the future on weekends, for example. Yeah, the thing is, you know, I don't want to actually explain my exact strategy because this is my own edge, you know what I mean? So why would I make my own edge public for everyone? I mean, trading it live is different, but explaining exactly everything in detail, how I trade, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it's probably not a wise idea to do this, you know what I mean? Because what happens to many strategies, guys, that become fully public, it will get, if many people trade it, there's going to be market makers abusing the strategy. And this is why I don't actually like to exactly show one-to-one, and why I also don't sell a mentorship, because in a mentorship I wouldn't want to leak like exactly everything I do, like, yeah, because I spent 4 to 5 years on this, you know what I mean? I spent 4 to 5 years on this, and like giving this all away for free, the more eyes are on it, it's probably not a wise idea. It's better to just trade it for myself. But yeah, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do videos about TradingView, especially because TradingView, you can also become profitable with TradingView, guys. I've been profitable. I still trade with TradingView only on my Forex account. And I'm gonna make some basic videos and start doing some basic videos and maybe some in-depth videos as well, but I'm not gonna explain like everything, like exactly one-to-one how I do it. Like, you can watch my streams and learn. I don't sell anything, guys. And also that takes a lot of time to do all these videos, you know what I mean? Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I love to live stream. It's one of the best things I started. Because it helps my own trading. I have more chart time. I don't have to edit anything, you know what I mean? I can just press go live. So I really like to live stream. But maybe I'm gonna do some videos like explaining stuff more. I have explained a lot in my streams already, by the way. I've already explained quite a lot in my streams. And another thing is, guys, that's really important. You're not allowed to like give financial advice. This is the one other thing. So like giving financial advice on stream is not allowed. And this is why also explaining the strategy more in detail is not allowed. So there are quite some reasons why a lot of people don't do this. Well, actually many people do sell stuff, so. But they sell like public strategies that everyone knows, you know what I mean? For example, they're gonna make a course about ICT that everyone already knows how it works. So this is kind of different. There we go, we are seeing some bigger, guys, we are seeing some bigger bubbles finally. They are starting to come in, maybe. It's the first bigger bubble I've seen. So there is some volatility coming in, finally. Don't make it too detailed, etc. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe once I'm gonna do something in the future, but not for now, guys. Now I just want to stream. I just want to focus on myself, focus on my own trading. And honestly, another thing is, guys, this whole industry is so ruined. Like the whole trading industry is completely ruined by all this influence, by this gurus selling courses and stuff like this. So it has a really bad image. This is also another reason why I don't sell anything, by the way. Because once you start to sell something, a lot of people are going to think you're like a scammer or something like this. And yeah, they really ruined the whole industry, sadly. A lot of these influencers kind of messed it up. But everyone that knows a lot about trading knows what I'm talking about. Like, there's so many people selling stuff. And they have no idea about trading. Like the image is just really bad, guys, in the trading industry. And honestly, I've never gotten bad feedback for my streams. Even on TikTok when I streamed on Swiss German, I only got positive feedback. But I see a lot of these trading influencers that just sell anything. They get a lot of hate, obviously, as well, because most of them, they have no clue about trading. They just sell you something. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen them as well. Like, most of these people, they always flex a lot of expensive cars and are in Dubai and stuff like this, and then they sell you a trading course. I'm sure you probably also have seen videos of people like this. I don't want to say any names, but... Okay, guys, we're going below the daily VWAP. We are seeing some action. We're finally seeing some action, actually. Let's see what's gonna happen. I want to see a bigger dump. Then we maybe can actually get into long today. So this is the area I'm waiting for, guys. 6855. Your streams are high quality content. I don't say it because I'm know you for years, but it's just a fact. Thank you so much, man, CryptoBotter. Yeah, I don't know. It just takes time, I guess, on YouTube to get more viewers. But I've been really inactive before, and now I think if I schedule my streams and everything, I'm getting really insane feedback, so it's really cool, guys. Like this, all the feedback I get from some of the guys on Discord and on Instagram, the messages I get, this is the coolest thing actually, because and this is also because I don't sell anything, because I do everything for free. And I make giveaways, I give back to the community, guys. Even the sponsorship deal I have, I give so many accounts to the community, guys. And I don't know anyone that does this. Most of the people, they would take the money from them and not give away accounts. So I give away a lot of accounts, and the goal is obviously if the streams are gonna get bigger, I'm gonna give away even more, guys. I'm gonna give you 100k accounts if I can, but right now I can't because I don't get enough viewers yet. So, are you trading full time? Yes, I'm trading full time. You can see my wins and you can see my streams as well. For example, the stream on Friday. You can rewatch it. I even posted a recap of the stream on Friday, by the way. And we're gonna stream a lot more, guys. So you'll see my trades anyways, or at least most of my trades you will see. But I'm doing it full time, yes. They captured money with innocent people. It's just so absurd, man. I'm telling you, there's so many people, like they just sell stuff and they have no idea what they're doing. Like they have probably not even gotten one payout. They probably haven't even gotten one payout yet or made any money with trading, but here they are selling courses, selling strategies. And these are all the people that ruined it, you know, for the people that want to actually seriously do content and not flex anything. And yeah, it's kind of sad. It's actually kind of sad. They really ruined the image. We are dumping a bit, guys, finally. There is some action. As I said, guys, we are waiting for lower here. RFJ, you are back. I've seen you. You were in the Friday stream. I remember your name. How are you? My X is not working, guys. I want to post my stream on X, but it is not working. Wait, we have 9 viewers, guys. Crazy. Thank you, man. We have 9 people watching. That's a lot for my second stream, actually. That's actually really a lot. I mean, for a lot of people, 9 people watching is probably not much, but honestly on YouTube for the second stream, it's kind of a lot. Alright, guys, we're waiting for this level here. I want to see 6855 hit, and maybe we're gonna go into long here. If not, guys, I'm looking for 6833. This is the trade that I have open. Wait, I'm gonna show you quickly the trade that I have open. So I have this trade open here right now. I need to switch over. Zack. There we go. This is a potential long here and this level here. These are 2 potential longs we are maybe gonna trade. This is not the best setup. Some might not take this. I actually want to wait for this. I would love to see this hit still. I have this placed here, guys. So you can see this is my entry stop loss here. I'm gonna wait with this trade. We're dumping kind of hard right now. But this I'm gonna leave running for now. Good. How are you? I saw you from TikTok. Oh, you were from TikTok. Nice. Sadly, TikTok doesn't like my streams, guys, or doesn't like finance streams. So yeah, I switched over from TikTok to YouTube. I have been streaming 1 month before on TikTok and in Swiss German. So my streams were in Swiss German, and now they're gonna be in English only. We're gonna focus on English trading streams because most Swiss people understand English anyway. So. And we also have some Germans in the Discord as well. So yeah, they also, most of them also understand English. I'm fine, but how are you? Are you in a trade? So yeah, I'm waiting for this, but let's go back to the order flow actually. This is more interesting than... We are gonna reach this level soon, guys. Daily open, previous day close. This is the first actual support level. But I'm not entering a trade here, guys. You do what you want, but I am not entering a trade here. War dein Entry nicht weiter unten oder hast du jetzt eine andere Long-Idee? Wally asked if my entry wasn't further down. Oh, you mean 776725, Wally. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna show you the level. I think you mean that level. Oh, I have too much stuff on my OBS. It's kind of annoying. So this is the level you're probably talking about. Yes, I'm still waiting for this level, but it doesn't look like we're gonna reach this today. But this is a level, guys, I'm almost 100% gonna trade this level. So once you go down here, I'm definitely gonna look for levels here. So this level I'm 100% gonna trade. But it doesn't look like we're gonna hit it right now. At least not today. So I'm waiting, volume can show you quickly. I'm waiting for this level here. This is the first level I'm waiting for right now. But I'm probably also not gonna trade this level here. Depends on the reaction, but I'm waiting for this level. 6855. This is the level I'm waiting for, but as I said, guys, I have one limit at 6833. Pushing your content and stream supporting. Thank you, man. That's really cool, guys. You know what supports me the most? The people that join every stream. Because once we have like 30 to 40 people that join every time I stream, then I think the algo is slowly gonna pick me up, hopefully. Hang around here with you a bit. Oh, you're done with trading already. So you probably went into a long, right? I was thinking of taking a long as well at midnight. That was here, guys. So I was looking to take a long here. The reason why I didn't take it, even though the CVD was bullish, the reason why I didn't take it, we didn't have a lot of confluence here, but it would have been a nice trade, obviously. Would have been a really nice trade, actually. And I would have closed it at 2 RR. I'm not gonna hold my trades more than 2 RR today, because it is bank holiday. So ideally I want to go into a trade for not too long today, because the liquidity is really thin, guys. So yeah, the order flow is also not as respected as usually. So today we're gonna take probably one trade. If not, if I can't find any good level to trade, I'm not gonna trade it all today. But there is some volatility finally coming in. And we hit the daily open and the previous day close to the dollar right now, as you can see. And the previous day very high was also at this level. Let's see if we can actually hold this. Well, we hit it to the dollar so far. I do think we can go lower. We also lost the daily VWAP now. Yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow, guys. I already knew that today is gonna be boring, but I wanted to still stream because it's good for the algorithm. And as I said, guys, I'm gonna try to stream every day at 2:30 PM Swiss time. So the same time as today, I'm gonna try to stream every day for at least 2 or 3 hours. And this is why I decided I'm not gonna not stream today just because it's bank holiday. Because we can potentially still find a good trade today. There are new buyers stepping in, guys. I'm gonna go on 5-minute time frame now on extra charts. I'm actually gonna go from 15 to 5 minute now, so we can see more. It's loading. giveaway. We have someone that wants to join the giveaway. I just saw in the chat. Guys, to join the giveaway, it's really simple. It's really simple. You just have to sign up through the link that just has been posted in the chat, and then you go. Wow, and then we go. You go into the Discord and enter and click the button there to join the giveaway. That's how you actually join it. Takes like 5 minutes to actually join the giveaway. Lower and retest of this might be a cool trade if it doesn't hold. You mean here? You mean this area for a trade or what? Which level do you mean exactly? As I said, guys, I want to see lower for a long. This is not enough here. Plus we in 10 minutes. Well, we have bank holiday, but New York Open usually is in 10 minutes, so we're gonna see some volatility probably. What we have to keep in mind today is, guys, we can only trade up to 7 PM. So if I don't see a good entry by 4 or 5 PM, I'm probably not gonna trade today. We can only trade up to 7 PM, guys. So today's gonna be a really short day. Previous day point of control. You're almost at it now. Yes, and we also have, by the way, we also have the this order flow level here. 6854, session point of control of this session. That hasn't been reached yet, so this is in confluence of the previous day point of control. What is your weekly bias? I'm leaning more bullish, honestly. I'm leaning more bullish because we have seen a massive pullback and we are still high time frame bullish. I want to also look for more longs, actually. But it really depends what's going to happen in the next 1 or 2 days. I mean, we are still, if you look at this here, I can show it to you on TradingView. We are still in this range here. We are still in the range from the whole uptrend, from this low to this to the recent price action. We reclaimed this. We went below this value low here, and we reclaimed it, and now we also reclaimed it again. So I think we're gonna go higher this week. I mean, the market structure is still looking bullish on high time frame. Yes, we are making new lows here, but overall we are still making higher lows. I mean, we make lower highs, but we make higher lows here, guys. And we are still in this area here. So honestly, I just want to trade this range. I'm going to look for shorts here again, up here, and I'm going to look for longs here. So really simple. This is overall the strategy for this week. It will come. What level do you think will come? The point of control. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit this as well. I think we're also gonna hit this today. But I would love to see, guys, this is the level I wanna would love to see for today. I would love to see an entry here. So retest of the previous day value low of Friday, and you can see the liquidity here as well. And we have the anchored VWAP. Yeah, I would love to see this level. This is also the level I placed at midnight, but we didn't hit it, sadly. But this is the level I'm waiting a bit for as well, or this level. So we have 2 support levels, actually, this level and this level. In between here, I don't want to trade at all. But I'm probably also not going to trade this just because it's bank holiday, and we also, yeah, it's really, the liquidity is really thin. But if you want, you can trade here, guys. I don't mind what you do. Just because I'm not trading doesn't mean you shouldn't trade this, or you shouldn't trade. Keep that in mind. Follow your own strategy. If you have a strategy that works, guys, you shouldn't get influenced by my streams. In the end, guys, that's a really important thing to understand. Trading is a probability game. It is a simple as that, a probability game. No single trade has any guarantee to work out. And you never know what's gonna happen. This is another thing that's really important. Anything can happen. I just trade my levels. So yeah, order flow, we're still at the daily open, still holding it so far. I don't think I even have to post my stream again on X. I think most people see it anyways because I scheduled it yesterday. I'm gonna do this every day now, guys, so you can also see when I'm gonna be live again. And you can also, by the way, whenever I post the link to my stream, you can press on wait. I'll click on the link and then press on wait, and you will get a notification, I think, on YouTube as well once I'm live. And I'm gonna try to stream always at the same hours, because if I stream whenever I'm in trade or whenever I see a trade, I don't know, it's kind of difficult for people to watch me if I stream at different times all the time. And around New York Open is the best time to stream anyways. So I'm just gonna start streaming like 1 hour before New York Open, so we have some time to prepare for actually New York Open. And I stream to like 5-6 p.m. or try to stream until 5-6 p.m. every day. Where are you guys from, by the way? Type in the chat where you guys are from and how long you have been trading, so I get to know you a little bit. Price is compressing a lot. Yeah, it's really strange price action. Typical like bank holiday price action. But we are holding this level so far. I mean, it is holding. There are buy limits here as well. You can see. But also sell limits, buy and sell limits at this point. So let's see. But you can see, guys, there are some new buyers stepping in here. We have positive delta as well. There are new buyers here. From here to here, we had new people opening new positions. So let's see. I'm not in a trade, guys. Just remember, I'm not in a trade though. Once I am in a trade, you will see my P&L in lifetime on the top left of the stream. Oh, it's just so nice to listen to music, guys, and trade. Just love to do it. But now we just have to be patient, guys. It's gonna be like like on Friday and Thursday where I streamed as well. We are dumping. We are dumping now though. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm waiting. This is good though. I want to see lower. I'm happy with seeing lower here. 3 minutes, New York Open. It's one of these days where patience is gonna win, I think. Draußen geht Welt unter bei uns. Crazy. Where do you live again, Wally? Where exactly are you from again? Here it's actually calm still, but wow, it actually also looks, it's getting darker here as well. The clouds are getting darker. Is it stormy or what? Is there a storm where you live? That's cool to trade though. I love to trade when it's storming. It's actually one of the best weathers, no? Trade into stuff like this. When it's rainy and Frauenfeld. Oh, okay. No, here it's not. It's stormy there in Frauenfeld. Crazy. No, it's not here yet, near Lucerne, it's not. But I think it is coming. It actually looks a little bit like it could come to here as well. Let's see. I mean, there has been a lot of strange weather across the world as well, not just Switzerland. A lot of flooding and stuff like this. It's crazy. The weather is going crazy recently, guys. Maybe it's coming to Switzerland now. I think it's also gonna snow, by the way. I think tonight is gonna snow in Switzerland. Around 12 p.m. I think there will be new snow. We hit the previous day point of control, and did we hit the order flow level? I don't think yet. No, we didn't hit it. But I'm not gonna trade this, guys. I want to see lower, actually. But it isn't... Yeah, it's a valid setup to take, but I'm not gonna take it. 6855. We did not quite hit it as well. How many accounts can you copy trade on FundedNext? Really good question from Sam. Really good question. On FundedNext, it works like this. You can have 5 accounts that are funded. So that means you can either have 5 50k accounts. That's what I trade on. So I have 5 50k funded accounts. Or you can have 500k funded accounts. But the reason why I chose 50k accounts, because the risk reward is much better. And it's also easier to get the payouts and stuff like this. So in my opinion, the best thing you can do is buy 50k accounts. These are, in my opinion, the best accounts. I also made a video about this, by the way, on my YouTube channel. That I can really advise you to watch. I explained why they are better and stuff like this for free. But I have 5 50k funded next accounts and the same on Topstep. I have 5 50k there as well. So I'm max funded. I cannot get any more accounts than on FundedNext and on Topstep. So this is the max you can have. But I'm looking to scale into another prop firm, guys. But right now I don't want to get greedy. I'm gonna scale another prop firm. I'm still looking for the best one for me personally. But right now I'm happy. Like with 10 accounts, guys, you can make more than enough. You can make more than enough. I mean, you saw it on my previous streams as well. I posted a lot of my P&L. I at least posted like 15 or 20 P&L days already under wins. So you can see you can make more than enough with 10 accounts. But obviously goal for this year will be to get to around 20 or 30 accounts in the end. But it's really important, guys, never get greedy. Greed affects your strategy and that's not good. So yeah, this is also why I don't want to scale more yet. I'm gonna give it some more time. I also adjusted my strategy by decreasing the risk a lot. So this is also what I'm testing now on my Topstep and FundedNext account. So you probably noticed that I'm trading with a lot less risk. I only opened 2 contracts, two micro contracts. So I'm running a new test with basically reducing the risk even more of never blowing the accounts and just scaling them slowly. Because I don't want to lose those accounts, and this is why I trade with really low risk. Get more statistics from live trading. So I'm taking all these trades are taken on my trade copier, and I can take out the stats from it and stuff like this. And once I test it for the next 2 or 3 months, I'm gonna probably increase the risk more as well. But right now we're gonna stick with 2 micro contracts to almost every trade. My goal is 10 accounts. Yeah, 10 accounts, I'm telling you, is more than enough, Nivi. So there's no need to get greedy. With 10 accounts, if you're profitable, you can make a lot of money just with 10 accounts. But obviously, scaling it is always nice. I was thinking, guys, of also doing some forex trading streams, but I think it's better if I focus on something. Focus on ES, because I love to trade ES more than forex, actually. ES is my favorite pair to trade. I'm gonna be honest. Out of all pairs, this is my favorite pair to trade. Especially for day trading, and for even scalp trading. We did hit the point of control, by the way, Sam. We hit it to the dollar almost. Yeah, we hit it to the dollar here. So let's see what's gonna happen. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is really, I talked about this previously. Nasdaq is really good to trade as well. I mean, you also have order flow access and everything. The reason why I don't trade Nasdaq, it is more volatile. And I don't want more volatility, actually. I'm more than happy with how fast ES moves. And there's like no reason for me to trade Nasdaq and have a higher volatility. I'm more than happy with how quick and the volatility that ES has. I don't need more volatility for my funded accounts. And the other reason is because more volume is being traded on ES. So the most volume, I think at least that more volume is being traded on ES. Pretty sure about that. I just love to trade it, but Nasdaq is also fine to trade. A lot of people like to trade on Nasdaq because it has more volatility than ES. I think on Friday I had someone on the stream that told me he likes to trade it because his trades go faster and to take profit. But obviously it's the same case for stop losses as well then. 6833, does this trade still exist? Yes, I still have it opened. You can see here, 1 second, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I still have this trade opened. It's also 4-hour level, 40-minute level, and we have the previous day value low. So I have a trade opened here, guys. Why is this so long? Let me fix this quickly. It looks way too ugly. There we go. So this is the other level. Guys, this is the order flow level. It has not been touched yet, as you can see. This is gonna be the next support level here. Or this is the trade that I'm waiting for. Yeah. And is this also fib here? This is what I quickly want to check. Yeah, I mean, I like this setup, guys. This is a trade I'm gonna take most likely, but we'll see the reaction. If we see a massive dump now, I'm gonna remove the limit order and wait for with the entry, but let's see. For now it looks good. I'm gonna leave it as it is, guys. We are the previous day VWAP now. I think maybe it's gonna hit soon, yeah, I hope. I wanna quickly check something though. See, this is the value area low of this session here. You can also see it here. And this is gonna be our entry, 6833. So I'm waiting for this here to be hit. We need a bigger dump though to hit this level. What do you guys think? We're gonna go lower or? I mean, there are new buyers, guys, but still weak. You're making no new lows. There were new buyers stepping in here in the last 5 candles, but the price made a new low, or is making still new lows. So I'm just gonna be patient here, not gonna rush into any long here. Looks like we can still go lower. We did hit almost all these levels now though. The previous day value low is at 6852. Previous month low at 6814. Yeah, let's see. Gotta be patient here. I don't want to trade this yet, guys. This is not a good setup for me. Too risky. I mean, there are people that are gonna trade this, that are gonna long the previous day value low. I'm not gonna trade this though. I don't have enough confluence to go into long here. Especially on a bank holiday as well, guys. I mean, We have to be more careful today anyways. Israel, cool. What else? Wait, I got some other questions as well. Have you heard of gold-funded futures? No, I actually have never heard of them. I can give you one tip though, if you look at prop firms, just make sure they exist for some time, because there are a lot of new prop firms that are a scam. They're not going to do any payouts. They just want to lure in customers. So you got to be really careful, like choosing the proper prop firms. And if I ever do partnerships with a prop firm, guys, it's because it's a good one. That I will always promise you. I'm never ever gonna. I've got so many deals, guys. I would have gotten a lot of deals to promote certain prop firms, guys. I always check them out. I declined at least 10 deals already from random prop firms. Well, some are not even that random, but in my opinion, just not really good. So I suggest you all, guys, start with FundedNext, and once you're done with FundedNext, once you're max funded, I would go to Topstep probably. But FundedNext is like one of the best futures prop firms, in my opinion, right now. And I've never had any payout issues with them, never. Wow, we are seeing new sellers still, guys, though. Negative delta the last 5 minutes here as well. Nice. I want to see a bigger dump. That would be good. That would be good. Maybe we're still gonna get to my entry here at 6833 today. But why is my X like... My X? I don't know what's wrong with my X, guys. We have 15 people watching. What? Guys? This is a new record. Thank you so much. Write in the chat where you guys are from. I didn't look at my viewers at all for the past like 30 minutes. We have 15 people watching my stream, man. That's a new record. My second stream, guys, here on YouTube. Cool. If you have any suggestions for the stream as well, guys, let me know in the comment. But I'm gonna keep streaming the way I did the last 2 times as well. Got a lot of good feedback. So we are waiting, guys, for all the new people that are watching the stream. We are waiting for this level here. 6834.50. We probably gonna go into long here. We are waiting for this. Here you can see the trade, entry, stop loss, take profit. I'm gonna take this on all my 50k accounts. So I'm trade on 10 50k accounts. So whenever I go into a trade here on stream, you will see the live P&L on all 10 accounts on the top left. And so I can lose 2k here and we can make 4k at take profit. We are waiting for this level, guys. I'm not gonna rush into any trade today. We have been streaming for almost 1 hour and I'm not in a trade. Georgia, USA. That's nice, man. So a lot of people from the US are probably watching now because it's New York Open, or it was New York Open. We hit the point of control. I'm gonna go back to the order flow. So this is the order flow software, guys, that I use. So here you can actually see the order flow, and this is what we're gonna look at now because we're not at my entry yet. So I wanna see what's happening. A lot of new market sellers here still, below the previous day value alone. And you can see, guys, the bubbles are getting bigger, so more volume is coming in here. I want to see a bigger dump for my long entry. This was a bearish CVD here, by the way, guys. You could see here, it's a really perfect example. The price made new lows and the CVD made higher lows, as you can see. So we had new market buyers stepping in here, but the price pushed down now afterwards because this was bearish. We had new people buying, but price went lower. So there was a limit sell here, absorbing all these buys. And now we're gonna wait for lower. I wanna see lower still. If we see a lot of sell volume, we might move the entry a little bit off the limit, but for now it's still looking fine. We're slowly going down. So how is the weather in Georgia, USA? Here in Switzerland it's really cold. It's been really nice the past 1 or 2 weeks with a lot of sun, but now it's really cold. Like the snow has been, there's been a lot of snow in the last 2 or 3 days. You can see it on the mountains. kind of crazy how many viewers we have. Yeah, guys, we gotta be patient today. As I said, I'm not rushing into any trades. All my trades that I take them on funded accounts, so I pass the challenge on these accounts, so I can receive the profit split. So I don't want to rush into a trade on a bank holiday. I want to take one trade today. I'm not going to risk more than 2 trades. So if it hits stop loss, guys, I'm going to be done for the day, and we're going to stream again tomorrow. If it hits take profit, then we can look maybe for one more trade. But I'm fully happy, honestly, with hitting one take profit today. I would be more than happy. Still new sellers coming in. I'm from Austria, complete sunny 0 degree. Wow, that's cool though. Yeah, it's really strange, the weather today. I don't know. On one side it's like cloudy, and on the other side it's a little bit sunny. I'm gonna get a drink soon, guys, by the way, because my coffee is almost, yeah, my coffee is actually finished. Yeah, it is finished. Guys, I'm gonna quickly get a drink. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. And please stay in the stream, that would be cool. Actually, guys, one thing, I'm probably gonna be away for like 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes, just so you know. But I will be back. I'm just taking a quick break. I've been live for 1 hour and 20 minutes. I've been live. So quick break, guys. I will be back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna just leave the order flow running, so you can actually, guys, see the live order flow of ES. So 1 second, guys. I will be back. I am back, guys. I'm back. Is someone still in the chat? Wait, why did the message get deleted? Did you spam something? Did Elias? No, Elias is a legit viewer. Why did he get timed out? How can I unban him? I'm back though, guys. So this is my new drink. Loaded up on this here. Mate tea. Actually really nice. Nice today, 60 degrees. What? Ellen, 60 degrees, that's crazy. We are pumping a bit again. Went to 6846. I don't know I don't know, it removed it. So strange. Oh, he's still in the chat. Okay, good. Audi thought he got banned. How are you, man? Ellen, you were in my last stream as well. Man, we have some people that always join the stream now. That's so cool. It's my second stream, guys. It's literally my second stream here on YouTube. I'm still waiting for my entry, guys. It seems like we see some bullish CVD now. We also got like a green print here, bullish CVD print. And the delta's increasing, volume is going up. Let's see. I'm still waiting for my entry at 6833, guys. Gotta be patient, gotta be patient. I'm good, caught the flu over the weekend, so dealing with that. But strong manning it, man, I hate the flu. I hate whenever I have flu. It's the worst thing. And what I also have, I'm not sure if some of you guys also have this. I have like, sometimes I have get neck pain. When the weather changes a lot, I get neck pain. And that's like probably the worst thing, honestly. You cannot do it. It's like a migraine. You cannot do anything. But I haven't had it for a long time now. I think it's because I started to go to the sauna. I started to go to the sauna like 2 or 3 times every week. And since then I haven't had any neck pain anymore. It's actually also really good for trading, honestly. I love to go to the sauna because it really relaxes me. Gym and sauna, this is like the best combination, man. You go to the gym for 1 hour and then you hit the sauna for 2 or 3 times. And after the sauna you take a cold shower, like it has to be really cold. But usually I have this anyways, like cold baths or cold saunas. It's like edgy bones, yeah, it's like, and also neck pain, insane neck pain and headache. Like you cannot do anything. Bullish CVD, guys. Yeah, I gym already, might add sauna. You have to try it, I'm telling you, you have to try it once. So you go to the gym, then you quickly take a shower, and then you go to the sauna. Even if it's 5 to 10 minutes only. And then you take a cold shower, it's crazy. And I actually told a friend of mine, and he also started to do it. And he goes like 3 to 4 times now as well, every week. He got kind of addicted, it's really addicting actually. Gym is gym alone is really important. I go to the gym 3 or 4 times at least. If not, usually 4 to 5 times a week. Yesterday as well, on Saturday I went to the gym as well. We are pumping though right now, guys. A lot of positive delta. But we're gonna be patient, guys. I don't care if I don't trade at all today, honestly. If you don't find a good trade, I don't care. I'm gonna wait for my levels. There's no need to rush into a trade during a bank holiday. This is kind of bearish though, guys. We have seen CVD made a newer high. Unless we break this, obviously. If we break this, then that's bullish. But right now, if we go lower now, that would be bearish. You can see here, CVD made a new high. Price didn't make a new high. So that's a bearish absorption right here. Me too, every second day at home. Bought everything for it. Really? Man, that's cool, bro. That is cool. No, I don't have one at home, sadly. That would be cool though. I think it's actually a really good investment though. I would probably go every day then, honestly. We are pumping still. So if we break this low, this is bullish because we are seeing new market buyers here, and if we go lower from here now, then it's only bearish. But if we break this last low, then it's bullish. Because these are all new market buys here, guys. We've seen a lot of new market buyers here. 260, 370 contracts here in the last 5 minutes. So it is looking bullish. Unless we don't reclaim this right now. So if we reclaim this, it's bullish in my opinion. And especially if we go above the VWAP. The VWAP is so respected always, guys. But we are waiting. As I said, guys, I'm not rushing. Just because I missed this trade, I'm not gonna rush into a trade here. Why would I rush into a trade? Just because I missed the entry. Because if I go into trade now, I would have a really bad entry and a bad RR on the trade. And it's just too risky to rush into trade now. And we're not gonna be upset, guys. We're not gonna be upset just because I missed my entry. We can still go to this entry maybe. And if we go higher, I'm probably gonna look for a short then, but also only at really good levels. For that we need to see a much stronger pump. Green bubbles coming in. What a day, guys. What a boring day so far. I feel bad for streaming almost because it's so boring. We haven't found any trade. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm not gonna be one of the streamers, guys. I know there are many streamers that are always in a trade, which is really suspicious, but yeah, I'm not gonna point any fingers to them. But a lot of streamers are always in a trade, like, yeah, and they also don't show the funded accounts that they have connected. I show all the accounts that I've connected, so everyone knows the trade copy I use. And I show all the funded accounts and profit accounts that I have connected. And a lot of people use TradingView and they're always in a trade, and that's kind of suspicious, honestly. Isn't this kind of suspicious to always be in a trade? And it makes sense though, because people like to see it when you are in a trade. They like to see floating P&L. Yeah, that's the thing. Better no trade than forced. Yeah, I'm never forcing any trades just because I'm streaming, guys. Just because I'm streaming, yeah, it's a patience game, and we had the insanest trades, guys, because we were patient. I can show them to you here. I mean, this was our long on Friday. I mean, we traded the absolute long, and I traded it with 2 contracts only. But we sniped the low on Friday, so we were patient for this entry. We just gotta be patient here. So 6876, by the way, is the resistance level. 6876 is an order flow resistance level here. This is the next strong resistance, honestly. Up here. We still didn't reclaim this though, guys. So if we actually don't manage to reclaim this, and because we are seeing a lot of new buyers, but we didn't make a new high yet still. So this could be massive bearish absorption if we don't manage to reclaim this level here and the daily VWAP. So we can still go to the entry, guys. You learn some patience. Yeah. This is why I also stream when I'm not in a trade. It is just part of the game, guys. It's part of trading. It's also really important for my strategy that I use. I must be honest, I would trade more frequently if I wouldn't be trading on prop firm accounts. But on prop firm accounts, I tend to take the best setups only. I mean, I've told you a lot of trades as well that worked out well, but I didn't take. On Friday, we had this case as well. We had an absolute insane short that I didn't take. I think it was on Friday or Thursday, something like this. You can watch it back on the stream if you want. Like, I don't edit my streams, guys. You can watch the whole thing again if you want. But yeah, I usually only take the best setups on my prop accounts. Took a long on ES off of Friday's POC at 6846. 68, nice, Alan. So you took a nice scalp trade, looks like. Where is your stop loss? What stop loss do you have for this setup? Let's see, guys. So many new buyers, and we don't manage to go really reclaim this yet. We didn't manage it yet. You would have to see new sellers here though. Now we're above the open again. But congrats on your trade. Always nice to see when you guys make gains. I'm honestly, also on Friday it was so funny. Friday stream was such a banger. A lot of you took the same trade as me, and it was so much more fun for me. Because it makes me really happy when you guys make gains as well, obviously. And then I get the messages and see them on Discord. But we're also gonna have losses, guys, on stream. That's normal. We're also gonna have losses. So yeah, I'm gonna show everything. I mean, you already did see losses. You saw break-evens as well. Trades that went to break-even. We had on Friday, the first trade went almost to 2RR. I didn't close it, guys. It went to break-even, so we made nothing, even though I was up 4K. The second trade was an absolute banger, though. That was the low I showed before, and that went 2RR within 5 minutes. So we made 4K on Friday within 5 minutes on my prop account. But we also had a break-even before, and we were really patient for this level. We had to be really patient for that entry, but it was an absolute insane entry. I mean, if you want to rewatch it, it's on my YouTube, guys. Last Friday was such a banger day. And there's also a recap of the stream if you want to watch it. I uploaded it actually 1 or 2 days ago. You can watch it on my YouTube. We were waiting, I think, 2 hours for this trade. So we waited 2 hours for this insane level, order flow level. And it was hit to the dollar. This was this level here, guys. I'm gonna show it to you. It was this level here that we waited for. And I mean, this was the exact low, and we just pumped after this. I mean, this was 6.811. We are at 6.875 now. And we pumped up to 6.896 on this same session. So this is an absolute crazy trade. I mean, with this entry, guys, with our entry we had, I was never in drawdown. Like, it was such a sniper entry on Friday. I hope we can find another sniper like this, and this is why I'm going to be really patient. I only wait for my really good setups. Because taking 1 or 2 trades a week, guys, is enough. If I have 1 or 2 or 3 trades, that's more than enough. But obviously we'll have weeks with more trades and weeks with less trades. Last week we had 2 days without a single trade. But we had, the other days were really great, so that doesn't matter. We had a really good week, even though 2 days we didn't trade at all on the last stream. I mean, in the last week. So how's the chat doing, guys? How is the chat doing? Are you relaxing to the music? To the meditation music in the background? Some of you probably fell asleep already. Took a small nap. We are pumping a bit though. Still new buyers, guys. So as long as there are new buyers coming in and we reclaim the daily VWAP, we can go higher. It would have been bearish if we it's only bearish, guys, if we go lower now, if we see new market sells, because then this CVD would be really bearish. But if we keep pushing higher, yeah. Stop loss was at 6.840. So I can tell you guys, I was looking at this trade here, by the way. This was at midnight, so I always stay up until midnight. I wanted to take a long here. I was thinking about it, so we would have had a really nice entry here at 6.8. Oh no, that wasn't even here. Sorry, that was not here. Where was it? Here, 12 PM. Wait. Let me see quickly. Oh yeah, it was. It actually was. It was. 6. Here it was. Yeah, it was here. Was looking for a long, and it would have hit 2RR. I didn't take this trade though, because we didn't. It was not an A+ setup as well. It was a decent setup, but not an A+ setup. And we had bank holiday, so it did not take this, but it would have worked out. I mean, a long after midnight would have just worked out. We had really bullish CVD here as well. I don't know. We're seeing so many new market buyers, guys. It's crazy. I mean, look at the CVD. Would love to take a nap, but unfortunately working and waiting for a trade setup. Yeah, we have to be patient today. In the worst case, guys, in the worst case, we would not have, we don't take any trade. But that is fine, because tomorrow I think we're gonna have a really good setup. It is bank holiday, guys, keep that in mind. No need to force any trades. I only want to trade the best setup, really. Volume is dropping a little bit again, but still a lot of new market buyers. You can see the delta is always positive. In each candle, the delta was positive the last 5 candles. So in the last 25 minutes, we had overall, on every 5-minute candle, more buyers, more new market buyers. These are all market buys, guys. So we have new buyers stepping in here. Bikram is also back in the stream. Welcome back, man. We have so many people from Friday's stream. It's so cool. We are waiting, Bikram. It's a really boring stream right now. It's a really boring stream. Why? Because it's US bank holiday and I only want to take the best setup. I don't want to rush into trade. The only thing that's kind of annoying, we can only trade until 7 PM today. And it's 4 PM already. So maybe today we're not gonna trade at all. Unless something's gonna happen in the next 1 hour. I have one buy limited 6833, but we didn't hit it yet. So this is the buy I've opened. I opened this at midnight, by the way, but we didn't hit it, sadly. I opened this right here, actually. So yeah, I'm actually waiting for this trade, and I don't want to really trade in between here. But look at this, guys. We retested the point of control, and we also hit this 30-minute low here, almost to the dollar. So let's see, but I'm still gonna wait for the setup here. Yeah, bank holiday, that's the thing. That's why I don't care, guys, if you don't find a trade today. Tomorrow's gonna be much more fun, much more action. And actually, let's look at the news quickly from this week. Hey, we have 18 viewers, guys. What is going on? Make sure to subscribe, guys, if you're new on the stream. That really helps. And it also shows your name, I think, on stream if you subscribe. Can someone quickly subscribe? So I can see if the alerts are working. If some new viewer could quickly hit the sub button. Oh wait, it is... Oh no, it should work, I think. Yeah, it should work. I don't know. I cannot see any new subs right now, though. Anyways, guys, so tomorrow we have... What do we have tomorrow? GBP news, CAD news. That's nothing really important. For me, at least for ES. Wednesday, what do we have on Wednesday? No important... Well, we do. Actually, we do. FOMC at 8 PM on Wednesday. So this will have an impact for sure. And Thursday. Smash the like button, guys. Yes, hit that like button, guys. I did a long time ago. Cool, man. Since when have you been subscribed, Big Drum? Thursday, we have US dollar unemployment claims, guys, at 2:30 PM. These are also going to have an impact on S&P for sure. And Friday, we also have US dollar advanced GDP and core price index news, also red folder news. And PMI. Wow, Friday is packed, guys. Friday is really packed. There's going to be a lot of volatility. So we will stream tomorrow again, guys. So if you don't find a trade, that's fine. I don't care if you don't find a trade today. It's bank holiday. I'm gonna wait for this trade here though. I'm gonna go back to the order flow now. But we will see. Maybe we find one. But if not, guys, tomorrow I'll be live at the same time again. And I think if you, to get notified, you need to enable the notifications. I'm not sure how to do this exactly, but I think you have to do this. So let's see, we are still above this daily open now. Such low volume as well, it's so boring. Save for tomorrow. Yeah, probably we'll see. I want to stream for like 30 more minutes or 1 more hour. See what happens. I think if nothing happens until at 5 p.m, we're gonna call it a day. We'll see. We'll see. Because you know I can only hold the trades up to 7 p.m, which is in like 5, which is really soon. So I have to see. If we see a bigger movement in the next 1 hour, I might take a trade. If not, we will probably call it a day. So I'm gonna stream for like 1 more hour probably. I want to see lower. I would love to see lower now for the long. I'm gonna be careful with shorts as well, by the way, this week, guys. I think we can go up this week. I think ES has a higher probability to go up this week. Doesn't mean that I'm never gonna short, guys. Obviously, that doesn't mean that I'm never gonna short. It depends where we are. But I think we can see higher prices. And if we go lower, that's also good, because then we're gonna look for longs. I share you some levels that I'm really... So this level, guys, I'm gonna show it again quickly for all the people watching. This is one of the this is an absolute insanely strong level here, guys. 6, 7, 2, 5. These 3 levels here, we have 3 order flow levels at this level here. 6, there's a ton of liquidity. So here I'm definitely gonna look for longs if we go down here, guys. But as you can see, this is still kind of far away. But this is a really, really, really important order flow level, guys, here. I posted this on my Discord as well. If you want to see it, you can join my free Discord. I post everything for free, guys. I don't sell anything. Everything inside of my Discord is for free. Yeah, but I don't sell a single thing. So if anyone DMs you guys in my Discord, it's not me. I don't sell anything. There are a lot of scammers, sadly, on my Discord as well. Pretending to be me and trying to sell you stuff. But ignore them, block them, report them. That's the way to go. And we have Nivi, actually, a legend who probably is gonna work on a bot that will ban all these scammers. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I don't sell anything, but now there are scammers inside my Discord that want to sell stuff to people that join my Discord. It's so crazy. And I think it started once I posted my giveaways on X. That's when it really started. I think there are probably like 500 bots that joined since then. But I do have some bot that is already working and doing a lot of work. Low volume, it will be zigzag only. Yeah, it looks like it. We'll see. Come on, guys. We need new market sellers, a lot of them now. Because that would be nice. Then it's definitely bearish CVD. I mean, as long as we don't go above the daily VWAP, I'm leaning bearish now. We're still below the daily VWAP. And we look at this, guys. We've seen a ton of buyers here. Look here at the CVD. How many new buyers stepped in here compared to the past. It's kind of crazy. So if we go lower here, guys, we are gonna dump. I'm telling you this. We are gonna dump if we go lower here. I would love to see a new low. Good, they said that maybe I can try also to prevent this. Let's see that people got a similar name then. Yeah, be careful. I don't know, the internet is cruel, man. The internet is a cruel world. I'm doing everything for free and now there are people, scammers, trying to like get money, make money out of my Discord. It's kind of crazy. And honestly, I think since AI, it's gotten a lot worse with like all these, because it's probably so much easier to like create all these bots and stuff like this. So AI also made it easier for all the scammers to like automate their whole process of scamming people. Like I'm telling you, some of these profiles looked so real. Like they were even like some of these Discord bots were had server tags and stuff like this added, and even Nitro accounts. Like what the heck? They look literally like human accounts. Like I've never seen this before. Short at 5859, stop at 6864, target is... We have someone that posted a signal, Alan. Alan, you know what would be cool? You know what would be really cool? If you join the Discord, or if you already are in the Discord, post your trade under your analysis, then I'm gonna show it in the stream. So post your chart and what you just said, then we can check it out on stream. So anyone that has a trade, please go under your analysis in the Discord. It's free to join the Discord and post it there. I'm gonna show it on stream. So we can see what your trade idea is and if I have a similar level. 6859 is your entry. So you just enter the short, I guess. Wow, that's a close stop, man. That's a really close stop you have. We're gonna look at now. I actually can see it. So your trade is here. So Alan entered the short now, and this stop loss is above this low here, basically. So let's see if it actually works out. Target is 6852, and his target is here, guys. So we're gonna see if this trade is gonna work out live on stream here. That's cool, man, that you shared it. So I'm gonna actually put this. Can I put this on here? I'm not gonna put it on here, else people think I took this trade. It's probably not a good idea. But I'm hoping that we go lower. Yes, sir. 3-bar reversals, quick scalp. That's cool, man. That you posted your trade, I mean. It's a little bit more action for the stream, you know what I mean? That's cool. So 6852, we need to go here for you. To the previous day value alone. Let's see. Your stop is right here. Your stop is right here. And this is his take profit. Guys, I'm not in this trade. We're just gonna see if it works out. I mean, it can work out, I think. Order flow looks fine still. We need to lose this previous day point of control though. That's kind of important. But your stop is so close, man. I never trade like this on my account. That's crazy. That's literally a scalp trade. Ooh, you're printing. Alan is printing, guys. Alan in the chat is printing right now. Come on, let's hit the take profit for him. I mean, order flow looks good, actually. I think, yeah. I think we're gonna hit that TP. Let's see. I'm not in that trade though, guys. I'm not in that trade, that's important. Alan is in this trade. You've been... Oh wait, what is your... 6859 is your entry. So you entered here at the daily open, basically. Come on. We need new market sellers here. Delta is still negative. Candle's gonna close now in 1 minute. Red candle would be obviously good for you. And if you close below the previous day point of control. Guys, what do you think? What does the chat think? Is Alan's trade gonna work out? Or is he gonna stop loss? Write in the chat what you think. Oh, by the way, I need to pin my Discord. Why do you always forget this? I'm such a noob when it comes to streaming. I'm an absolute noob. I'm gonna post... No. Well, actually, can you click that? I think you can. Here's my Discord, by the way, and here you can join the giveaway as well in the Discord. Is he gonna hit take profit, guys? What do you think? Alan is in a trade from here, from the daily open. Stop loss is around here. Crypto Water says TP. I think so as well. It looks good. We're below the... And we closed it red, the candle as well. Let's see. It will work. That's such a scalp trade, man. That's crazy. I actually wanna try scalp trading on stream once, but we're gonna do it on a new account, and I'm not gonna risk it on my funded accounts, obviously. But I think it will be a fun stream, like scalp trading. These levels here, these are nice levels to scalp trade. We're Rejection at the VWAP on the 5 minutes with 3 bar reversals, risking 5 points to make 7, no big deal either way. Yeah, of course, risk management, even if you lose it, it would be fine, obviously, according to your strategy. But it's a good, I mean, yeah, it's a decent setup, I guess. It works, yeah, always follow your strategy, guys. That's the most important thing. I trade a different strategy than you guys. And obviously, even if Alan loses the trade, doesn't mean he's a bad trader. That's really important, guys. The losses are completely normal. And he said this perfectly. Where do you trade on, Alan? Which prop firm do you use? Wow, we're dumping, guys. Alan is almost at TP now. Almost at TP. Guys, almost at TP. 682, 6852 is his TP right here. Where my mouse is his TP. Looking good, your trade, Alan. Looking good. Topstep. Nice. How long have you used them? No, we didn't quite dump into the TP yet. From Alan. Negative delta still though. We are seeing new sellers, that's good. I think we're gonna hit this for sure. I mean, actually we did hit it now, right? Was it hit? Yeah, it was hit, I think. It was actually hit just now, I think. Alan, was your take profit hit? I think it was. Wow, it was to the dollar. It must have been really close if it's not hit yet. Well, now? Okay, now it's hit. Now it's hit for sure. GG, nice trade, man. Nice trade, Alan. Took a nice win, even called it. What a legend. That's cool actually for the stream if you share your trades, guys. You can share your trades and then we can look at them. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for mine. That was a nice trade. It's an interesting strategy that you use. It's actually a really interesting strategy. But yeah, VWAP is such a great... Guys, use the VWAP. If you're day trading, you must use the VWAP. And you can use it on TradingView as well. Obviously, the order flow VWAP is better, but you can... I always rely on the order flow VWAP. But still, the TradingView VWAP is good enough. So basically, Alan, I think how Alan traded, I think that's how he trades. I'm gonna quickly show you guys. Let me go to TradingView. Correct me if I'm wrong, Alan. At least that's one part of your strategy. I'm gonna try to replicate it quickly on TradingView. Let's go to TradingView. I think that's how Alan took his trade. Well, let's see if I can find it at least. So we're gonna draw it. I'm gonna use the TradingView VWAP now to show it. So I'm gonna draw the daily VWAP. Where is it? Anchored VWAP. Yes. So we go to market open. What did you say? Let me see. 70 people are watching. Yeah, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy stream on a US bank holiday. So I'm gonna try to replicate Alan's strategy quickly, see if it works. So this is a daily VWAP, but wait, you had a different entry though. Let me see. Entry was, what was your entry? 6859. The VWAP was at 6864. Okay, maybe the TradingView VWAP is a little bit wrong. Let me see if I can fix it like this. Nope. I'm trying to find the same VWAP he used. Oh, there we go. This is the VWAP you used, I assume. 6859. Well, it's close. It's not the exact one you used. Anyways, it changed a little bit as well, but I think it's not the one. Where did you draw the VWAP from, Alan? Where did you draw your daily VWAP from? Wait, let me see on ExoChart. On ExoChart, the daily VWAP was at 6870. And you entered the trade at... 6859. Oh, you waited. Okay, I get it. I'm so dumb. You didn't say this. Oh, you waited 3 candles. He waits. Okay. So he waited 3 5-minute candles, I think. Once we hit the VWAP. 1, 2, 3. 6859. I waited for the 3-bar reversal. So you waited 3 5-minute bars, right? So we waited for 15 minutes to enter the trade, I think. But basically, I think what he did is, so he waited for 3 5-minute candles to enter the short at the VWAP. So once he saw the rejection, he entered the short. This is what I think how you traded this, right? Alright, let's go to the order flow again. But nice trade. Nice trade, Alan. Nice, we're dumping, guys. We're getting closer to my entry. I want to see 6833.50. This is the level I want to trade. 3 bars including the last green candle. But when do you start to calculate the bars? Like once the VWAP is broken or what? Or after we broke for the VWAP, let's say here, we broke for the VWAP, you start to count 3 candles. No trade yet, no, it's US bank holiday, I'm chilling. I only want to take one really good setup. If not, in the worst case, we will not take any trade today. Tomorrow the week starts for me actually. Tomorrow is gonna be we have US bank holiday today. Do you trade London sometimes, Sato? I do, yes I do personally, but I will be streaming at the same time every day because it's better for the algorithm and it's also better for people that want to watch my streams. I'm gonna try to stream every day from Monday to Friday, starting at 1 hour before New York Open. So I'll start to stream every day 1 hour before New York Open so we can prepare for the New York Open. And I'm gonna stream 2 or 3 hours every day. And we have been live for 2 hours, just waiting. Didn't find any good trade. But I said this in the beginning, guys. Today I don't care if you don't find a good trade. I'm fine with that. We had an absolute really good last week. Do you want to get more funded capital? Yes, that will be the goal. My goal will be to trade live with like 20 or 30 accounts. Right now we are at 10 funded accounts and they're all funded. So I'm max funded on FundedNext and max funded on Topstep. And you can see, guys, in my Discord, I actually trade on these accounts. You can see I post all the trades on the wins. And you also can see that my accounts are connected and everything, so you can see everything. And I don't sell anything. I don't sell any courses, guys. I only do this for myself because I have more chart time and I can also obviously get to know traders, and that's a big part as well why I started. Build a community and yeah, do everything for free. What kind of firms do you want to get? I'm still thinking about that. I've been doing a little bit research. Maybe Apex is gonna be the next, I guess. Or Lucid trading also sounds interesting. I'm not sure. I'm still. What kind of firms do you want to get? Info now. What do you mean with info now? Also, what I can really suggest you guys, first get maxed on FundedNext. After FundedNext, you should do, in my opinion, Topstep. And yes, I'm now max on FundedNext and Topstep futures. Tradify, that's also good, I think. Man, there's so many prop firms, it's crazy. But you gotta be careful, guys. There are also many bad prop firms around. So you gotta be really careful with. Nice mindset, bro. Yeah, and I don't want to be greedy, guys. This is really important. This is such an important thing when you want to be really long-term profitable, not just profitable for 2 or 3 months. Never be greedy. So what I even did, guys, I was profitable before, but I reduced my risk now because I have more capital. Before I was trading with 250k max funded and FundedNext, and I passed my Topstep accounts, guys, in 2.5 weeks. So I passed them in 2.5 weeks. And now I reduce the risk on all the accounts. Why? Because I have more capital. And why would I risk? I even make more profit now even though I risk less for the trades because I have more accounts and more capital. So my goal is obviously to scale further now. And I take all my trades with 2 micro contracts only. So I risk only $200 for each setup. And if I lose 2 trades a day, I stop for the whole day. And if I win a trade, then I can obviously continue trading. But there are even days after a win I just stop, because if I have one win, you could see in my Discord or even on Friday stream how much you can make with one quick trade. More than enough, so you don't need to trade really more, even with 10 accounts, guys. And 10 accounts is not that much. I know some people, they trade with like 30 or 40 accounts. That's gonna be the goal for the stream. And obviously, guys, with all the deals I do, as I said this many times, I don't sell anything. I don't sell courses, I just trade live. And with the partnerships you will find in my Discord, I give everything back to the community. What I give back, I do giveaways. I try to do more giveaways. The bigger my stream gets, the more giveaways I can make. And right now we give away one 25k account for free every week. You can see the winners. I post the winners as well, guys. These are all real giveaways. And all you have to do is sign up through my code. That's how you enter it. You sign up through the link, which is my Discord, and then you can join it every week. So you have to sign up once and that's it. And you don't have to buy anything. And obviously the bigger my stream gets, the more people sign up, the more accounts I can give away, because it's an advertisement, obviously, for FundedNext. But I don't earn from that, so yeah. I give away everything. And this is how I can also give the accounts away, by the way. And I don't know any influencer that does this. Like, all the influencers probably take the money they get from the firm, and my goal is to give away more accounts and bigger accounts. And I'm discussing right now, by the way, with FundedNext, how many accounts I can give away. And we already, this week, I'm giving away 25k Forex account, guys. We have like 80 people that already participated in Discord. So check that out, guys. I'm gonna quickly show it, actually, because we're just chilling anyways right now. Discord, there we go, Discord. Here, by the way, you can see also my wins from Friday, for example. I post everything. You can see it's on FundedNext, and I took it on Topstep. You can see the balance. I have 10 50k accounts. Some people took the trade as well here, guys. CryptoBot, he's in the stream. Let me quickly show that. He took this crazy levels, crazy levels, took a scalpy for entry on my PAs. We had an insane entry, and Batched also took this trade. Yeah, and you can see also the others. For example, here we went break even on a day, only $81, but I posted this for fun. This is a break even day. Yeah, you can see a lot here, and this was another nice day we had. I post like a lot of my trades in here, guys, and my analysis all for free. You can see my analysis here on the Discord. I post them here. For example, I posted this here yesterday as well. I even posted yesterday that I'm leaning bullish on the market open. And here's the giveaway. This is what I wanted to show. We have 88 people that joined. You have to sign up with this link, participate, and then you're in. And you have to sign up once only. What a cool mindset. Thank you. All right, now let's go back to the extra charts. You're dumping, guys. We can actually maybe see the entry today. I'm waiting for 6833.5. I mean, guys, this is what I said on stream. This is the bearish CVD now playing out. We saw that here. We saw a massive amount of new buys. I said this before it happened. Massive amount of new buys, new market buys, but we didn't make a new high. So if you compare it to the past, look at this massive increase here of the CVD. So this was an absolute insane bearish absorption here. So we had limit sell orders that absorbed all these buyers. And now you're dumping. So what a perfect example of CVD in real time. I mean, I didn't take this trade, guys, but it's still nice to see how it played out. It's good for the statistics as well. And guys, Alan printed. Alan absolutely printed. He went in the sell here. Alan in the chat, are you still here? Let's see if we make a new low here. The indicator printed a bullish CVD here. I would not trade this here though. How did you learn order flow? Myself. Books, videos, collection of different type of videos. But in the end I set up the whole template for myself. So I did basically, on extra charts you can create templates, and I set this up myself. It took a lot of time to learn everything, to have the right settings and stuff like this. It's honestly, so order flow is like the most difficult thing in my opinion. Like learning TradingView is kind of simple, but order flow is actually kind of difficult. Once you fully understand it and have everything set up. I mean, until you have everything set up. But it took me longer to understand order flow and everything compared to like TradingView. Like normal technical analysis, not order flow analysis. Guys, what do you think? I think we're gonna go lower here. I mean, it looks bearish. We've seen a lot of new sellers here now. You're still below the daily VWAP, so yeah, I'm waiting for my entry, guys. Maybe we can still find a trade. Cool. What about you guys? Do you only trade? But guys, really important, you don't need order flow. That's really important. You don't need order flow to become profitable. It's just for my strategy, it's really a nice thing. My stats increased a lot. So I was profitable before, but I became more profitable using order flow as an additional confluence for my trades. And that's how you should also use it. That's how I advise you to use order flow. I still believe in a new low. My YouTube is blowing up. Someone wrote, by the way, I was laughing about this. Where was the message? He wrote it in Swiss German. Oh, nice, 17 people watching. You're gonna get big. And he wrote it in Swiss. Oh, that was you, Irv. That was you, actually, who wrote this. Yeah, I think, actually, I'm really surprised how many people are watching. I'm really surprised myself. I think tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of viewers. Because today is even a bank holiday and we have quite a lot of viewers for the second stream. I mean, this is crazy. I'm gonna post a new scheduled stream for tomorrow on X again, guys. So if you don't follow me on X yet, here, wait, I'm quickly gonna shill my X. Here's my X, guys. I post all my streams on here and also giveaways. But the giveaways you need to enter through Discord. That's really important. So you have to join the Discord. Here I post all my streams, guys, and I'm gonna make a scheduled stream for tomorrow's stream once we finish this stream. I trade daily, weekly volume profiles and market structure and a bit order flow. What did you write? You wrote, where was it? You said that I have 17 people watching and that I'm gonna get big in the streaming space. That's what you wrote, something like this. Karma, my friend. Who? I had someone who wrote me like that on Instagram, that if I do everything for free, the good karma is gonna come back anyways. And he knows like a crypto trader that also does it like this, and he got like insane feedback from the community because everyone sells you something, like every trading influencer sells you something. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that, guys. Honestly, it's the best. It's also for me the best. I don't really want to sell anything. I did think of offering a mentorship, but even that, first of all, I don't like to leak like one-to-one my whole strategy, and the second of all, it's not even worth it. Like, how much am I going to charge them? I don't want to overcharge people as well. And I was thinking of like 2.5K for 9 months up, but even that, it's not worth it. You know, I would have to sell for so many for it to be worth it. And that's so much work, you know what I mean? I'd rather just trade and make more of trading. So I'm just gonna do everything for free, guys, and we're gonna focus on just doing giveaways and trading, honestly. Live trading. I'm also gonna do shorts on YouTube maybe for my live streams, and I'm gonna try to, when you get trades, maybe also losses or wins, I'm gonna try to do recaps on YouTube so you can actually rewatch them, like the highlights out of the streams. I'm not sure if you guys would watch this, but I think this is good to post as well. But obviously I'm gonna keep streaming every day now. I'm so happy, guys, I switched from TikTok to YouTube. Like my TikTok, I got such good feedback. I streamed in Swiss German, talking Swiss German on TikTok, and I got an insanely good feedback. But then after 3 or 4 weeks of streaming on TikTok, they restricted my streams. Like they started to restrict all my streams and ban me for 3 days. And now I just switched over to YouTube, and it's just much better. It's just much better. You could maybe do, update videos. Cool idea, man. That's a really good idea. I could do some on Sunday. Like my Sunday analysis for the next week. stuff like this and levels that I want to trade. Yeah, that's a good idea, man. I'm gonna keep this in mind. That's actually a good idea. And I don't want to make them too long, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes, explaining the levels I want to trade and why. It's a cool idea. Come on, guys, I want to see a bit lower here. I want to see a bit lower. Yeah, and I did stream before once for 1 or 2 weeks, by the way, in English, guys. But I think the mistake I did, first of all, I didn't stream a lot, but I just wanted to try it out. But I streamed on 3 different platforms, so on Kick and Twitch, and I think that's really bad, because then all the viewers will watch on a different platform. So I have to like really focus on YouTube only now. I have to really be consistent with YouTube, and that's the way to go, I think. My channel is not even monetized, by the way, guys. I don't earn anything from this channel, just so you know. I don't earn anything. This channel is not even monetized. So you cannot even buy a subscription or anything. How can we help you grow? Just be active in the chat like you are. That's the best thing. Like the stream and subscribe, that's it. That helps out the most, honestly. And if you watch often, like you have been anyways, you have been in here at the last stream as well. It's gonna come with time. I'm not gonna rush into this, guys. I'm fine with like 40 to 50 people watching in the next 2 or 3 months. Then I'm happy already. We don't need to reach much more viewers that quickly. I think they're gonna come over time, guys, because I actually trade on my own accounts, and I'm pretty sure most of the streamers don't do this. According to the streams that I have seen, I don't think they actually, yeah, trade on a lot of funded accounts at the same time like I do. So you will see real funded trading here, real prop firm trading, guys. Small consistency is key. Yeah, that's what I'm focusing on. Collecting more stats about my strategy, and yeah, risking only $200 for each trade, guys. For each 50k account, I risk $200 for each setup, so that's really not a lot. With a wide stop loss as well on the trades, because I trade with 2 micro contracts only. But it's more than enough, guys. You saw my wins from last week as well. Even if you have 10 accounts, like, you have to think about this. I risk $200 for a 1 trade setup, and let's say it hits 2RR, then I make $400 for each account times 10, so that's 4k. So I risk $200, and if I hit 2RR on the trade, I make 4k. So that's 1 trade a day is more than enough, guys, even, and if it hits 3RR, it's even more. In trading as well as streaming, small consistency is key. Yeah, that's true. And the cool thing about streaming is I can rewatch my trades and everything. It's good to document the trades as well. I'm not gonna trade, probably not gonna have every trade I take on stream, obviously, because I cannot stream like 20 hours each day. But we'll have most of the trades on stream for sure, and I will post a lot of analysis as well. So if I'm not streaming, you can also follow the analysis on Discord. The Blabla is also in the chat. He's an OG on the Discord. The Blabla is an OG on the Discord, guys. Really boring day. Sorry about this, guys, but I don't want to force the trade. Hope you can understand. I don't want to force the trade today. We still have the trade open at 6,833. We are getting closer though. This is where I might enter long here. Recaps would be great, yeah. I'm gonna start that. I need to find someone that can help me with editing my videos into like longs and shorts, because I cannot do this myself. First of all, I'm not that good. Plus, yeah, it's because of the time, it's a little bit annoying if I stream a lot and then also have to edit the videos. So I need to find someone that can help me. I'm also willing to pay, obviously, for the work. So if you know anyone, guys, if you know anyone that is good at editing, it's not hard to edit these videos. I mean, you just have to download the live stream, edit it. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for, actually. If you know someone, guys, who wants to help me, like with this work, I'm also gonna pay you something for it. Best thing is if you have some experience though. And not people that have never done editing. Because then I can just do it myself. I hope to find an AI tool that can actually help me with editing. But I'm not sure. I've been looking around. Maybe I can actually find an AI tool that can just do this for myself. There is one for Reels, that I know. There is one for short content that you can input your stream and then it's gonna like make Reels out of the stream. What a boring day though. Guys, how was your day? Did you... I know some people took a trade already. Did you have a green day so far, a red day? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll, guys. I can actually do polls here, I forgot. I can actually do polls. Let me write, did you... How should I write this? How was your day? First answer green. I can do 3 options. Green, red, and then didn't trade. Let's see, guys. I want to see how many of you guys actually made money or didn't trade. So leave a vote, guys. Leave a vote. There is one for Reels exactly. The vote is live, guys. Didn't trade. All right. So far, everyone didn't trade. Leave a vote, guys. I'm kind of interested to know. There is one for Reels exactly. Yeah, I'm not sure which one do you recommend, Nivi? Do you know one that you can recommend? 6 votes already. Crazy, guys. We have... Alright, so we have 17% at the green day. 83% didn't trade like me and nobody the red day. I mean, guys, we are printing. Our community is printing. We didn't have a single guy who made a loss today. I mean, that's crazy. And guys, remember, not trading is also a trade. So we're gonna come back strong tomorrow if you don't take any trade today. 7 votes. Still not a single green day from anyone. I mean red day, sorry. Not a single red day from anyone. Crazy. A lot of people also didn't trade. I mean, that's normal. I think the most people don't trade on US bank holidays. Which I can understand because the order flow is... The liquidity is really thin during bank holidays. So order flow is not as respected. This is also why I'm really cautious today with trading. What a chill day though. Was still a good stream. I've been live already for 2 hours and 20 minutes, guys. Sitting in front of the chart. Looking at the order flow. Only the stock market is open without that the volume is terrible, yeah. What is Bitcoin doing, by the way? Let me quickly see what is Bitcoin doing. We're pumping or dumping? Oh, we're dumping again. Holy. Negative 2% today again. Bitcoin is so weak. And also, like, yeah, gold is still kind of strong at 5k. US oil went up 1.2% today at 63. And altcoins also dumped, obviously. When Bitcoin dumps and Ethereum goes down, all the altcoins always bleed. Stocks, okay, yeah, interesting, guys. I think it's gonna be a really interesting week, honestly. This week is gonna be really interesting to trade, I think. Can't wait for tomorrow already. Cannot wait for tomorrow, guys, actually. There is one for Reels, exactly. Oh, I wrote it. I did read that already, my bad. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I hope we can go to the entry. If not, we're not gonna trade at all. Well, we have 2 hours left. We have 2 hours left to trade. Time is running out. Time is actually slowly running out here, guys. Opus clips should be really good. Oh, I heard about that, yeah. I did hear actually about that. Yeah, I need to try them out. I need to try them out. I think the only problem with Opus clips is that they have like really low limits. Like for live streams, I upload 2 to 3 hour videos, you know what I mean? Then it takes probably up the whole limit for a whole month. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be optimal for me, but I think the quality is gonna be really good from the clips. I think I even tried this once actually. It was kind of good. We're pumping again. Positive delta here, especially on this candle. I want to see lower. Come on guys, give us a bit lower here for our entry. I mean, honestly guys, if we go back up here, I'm gonna go offline. If we actually go back up here, because then we're not gonna go lower anymore. And then I'm just gonna not trade today. Let's see what's gonna happen. I still want to see lower for the long, but if we go higher, I don't want to short at all here. Like, this is not a single short that I want to take here. Yeah, we're probably, I don't know, but right now it looks like we might go higher. Let's see. Still below the daily VWAP. I don't want to see, if we break this high here, guys, I mean this, if we break this here, I'm gonna stop streaming. So as long as you stay below here, I'm gonna continue and wait. Maybe you're gonna go to my entry. I still have the entry placed, by the way. I have the trade placed. Schau dir mal Restream an, das soll gut sein. Restream. Oh, I used that. Yeah, I used that. The problem, you know what the problem with Restream is? I cannot stream in the max quality through OBS because I have to send my stream to Restream, and they actually don't offer the high quality, and I want to use higher quality for the stream. That's really annoying, but I tried them. They're really good for editing as well. I mean, for creating the shorts. I used them before. But actually, I think I'm gonna stick to OBS, direct OBS streams to YouTube because you can have much higher quality. So yeah, sadly that doesn't work. Else I would use it, for sure. So, I'm gonna end the poll here, so you can see it, guys. Not a single person in the chat that had a red day today, and that's really good though. 25% with a green day and 75% didn't trade like me. Boring day, guys. Sorry about this, but yeah, there's nothing I can do. A really boring stream today. I mean, a really, really boring stream. At least we had a really nice stream on Thursday and Friday. But as I said, guys, it's US bank holiday, so it's part of the game. Market order long, so Alan actually went in a trade again. He went into trade at 6848, stop at 684150, and target 6859. So this is his target here. Here he hits full take profit. On stop loss is at... What is the risk reward from that trade? Let me see if I can pull out the risk reward tool here. Here on extra charts. Should be possible, I think. No, that's a fib. Where is it? Text tool. Wait, they don't have this? No way. They don't have a short and long tool on extra chart? It doesn't look like it. Sad. I wanted to see your risk reward quickly from your trade, but I can check it on TradingView. I want to see what's your risk reward is. Market order, alright, let me recreate this quickly at 6848. Wait, let me show you TradingView. Right now you cannot see it. So Alan's entry 6848, 6848, this is where we are at. Stop loss 6841. 50, alright, and take profit is at 6859. 1.7 risk reward, nice. So this is Alan's trade, guys. He is in this long right now. Here you can see it. I'm not in this long, but he's in this long. Let's see the order flow now for him. Full take profit at 6,859. Let's see if it's another take profit. I mean, Alan has been on fire with this last trade at least. And what is the stop loss again? 6. Okay, the stop loss is far away. Let's take the stop loss here, guys. And take profit here. Let's see if your trade works out. Now we are at your entry again, so you're at break even almost now. We need new buyers stepping in here. And to reclaim the previous day value low, that would be nice. I think then we're gonna hit take profit if that happens. Oh wait, your stop was... Oh no, stop will be at 684,150, yeah, that's here, okay. So here's his stop, here's Alan's stop, guys. Let's see if it works out. His last one hit take profit. So I think he can even lose this and still be in profit, according to your risk reward. So even if you actually lose this trade, Alan, I think you're still overall in profit. What was the risk reward from the last trade? So I think it's completely fine, even if he loses this, guys, he's still gonna be in profits. Wally is in a short, she said in German, she's thinking of taking it break even soon. Wally, bist du im ES short? Are you in ES short or? We're dumping. I mean, I want to see 6,83350, guys, for a long. This is what I'm waiting for, but I don't know if it's gonna happen today in the next 2 hours. We only have 2 hours left to trade. No idea if we're gonna hit that level. Still not stop loss hit, by the way. Here's the stop loss from Alan in the chat. I'm not in this trade, guys, but it's Alan's trade. He shared one before and it was a full take profit. So Wally is in a short since 6,867. Man, that's a good entry, Wally. I mean, you can put stop loss to break even. It's around the VWAP. Looks like you shorted around the VWAP. I'm really cautious today with trading, guys, because it's bank holiday. I already said myself, I actually don't really want to trade today, only really, really good setups. There were some setups here, but not enough confirmation for my trade. Not looking good right now, but I think it's not hit yet. Not hit yet, the stop loss. Part of the game. Losses are part of the game, don't get tilted. I think you're still in profit even if you lose this one, right, Alan? I mean, the last one was probably also around 2 hour. So you can afford 2 losses if you risk the same. You're still not at your stop loss though. It did not get hit your stop loss yet. I want to see 6,83350, guys. This is what I'm waiting for. I can show you again. This is what I want to wait for here. Here we're gonna go into trade. And we're gonna close it fully at 2 hour here. You can see it. Here's my entry, stop loss, take profit. I am waiting for this level, guys. This is the only level I want to trade today. If we don't hit it, then I'm not gonna trade. So I'm waiting patiently for this level. Wow, this VWAP is insanely respected again. I mean, twice hit and perfect reaction from it. We're below all VWAPs. I'll be up 68. Oh wait, I'm gonna go back to autoflow, guys, now. But this is the level I'm waiting for. We're actually getting kind of close. We're actually getting kind of close to my entry. Not looking good. Yes, I'll be up 80 bucks on the day if I lose this one. That's good. Let's see, guys, we have 2 more hours. Actually, we have 2 more hours to trade. And our entry is here at 683350. Sato Trace, absolutely love your voice. Thank you, Jana, that's really nice to hear. Wait, are you the same one who texted me on TikTok? Are you the same person that actually texted me on TikTok about my voice? Because it's really funny, yesterday I got a similar message on TikTok. But thank you for that, thank you for that. It's been a really boring day, Jana, trading day. I did not take any trade. I'm still waiting for my entry at 683350. So yeah, we're just patient, waiting for the trade, and I don't want to rush into any setup because it's US bank holiday, guys, so we're just gonna be patient. If I don't hit this level, I don't care, we're just gonna trade tomorrow. And we have 2 hours left, guys, we have 2 hours left until we have to close all our trades. If I don't close them, they will be closed by themselves. At least on FundedNext, I'm not sure about Topstep actually, but on FundedNext it's at 7 PM today. I posted it on Discord as well. What a boring day, guys, sorry about this, but I don't, as I said many times, I don't want to rush into trade. We're getting close though, we're getting actually really close. Man with the golden voice, I don't think it's that good, but... I mean, this is not even my mother language, guys, I speak Swiss German. And normal German as well. And Swiss German sounds really different to normal German, by the way. But my normal German is also not perfect, like it's, yeah. Stopped out, yeah, see, you got stopped out, part of the game though. Part of the game, I'm waiting, guys, we're getting closer to my entry now. You might actually still see a trade, kinda unexpected. Still live, TC plan, yes, I'm still live, my friend. It was not you on TikTok, that's cool, because I got someone else who wrote me that. And I stopped streaming on TikTok because they kept sending me, on TikTok I got, since like 5 days, whenever I went live, they closed my live and didn't allow me to stream again for 3 days, so I just switched over to YouTube. So we're gonna stay on YouTube, guys. I don't care about TikTok anymore. Like this is, I built like 1K followers within like 3 or 4 weeks of streaming, and now they just limit my streams. I mean, why didn't they do this in the beginning? And I don't know, I think it's impossible to get out of this now. TikTok is really strict when it comes to finance streams. I don't know why it is like this, but they're insanely strict when it comes to finance content. Summary of today, I haven't taken a trade, we've been waiting for a level. So guys, quick summary, I was thinking about longing at midnight before I went to sleep. Would have been a 2-hour trade, but it was not an A+ setup, so I didn't take it because it's US bank holiday. Yeah, and I'm waiting for 683350. This is the level I placed as well before I went to sleep. We didn't hit it yet. Maybe we're gonna hit it now. We have 2 more hours left, and then I have to have all trades closed. But I don't care, guys. If you don't find a trade today, I'm fine. I was already in the morning. I thought probably we're not gonna find a trade today, so I'm completely prepared for not trading at all today. It is US bank holiday. So usually on US bank holidays, guys, the liquidity is really thin. That means the order flow levels are also not so respected. So this is also why generally I don't really like to trade on bank holidays. Wow, the view is so beautiful here in the background. It's crazy. With the snow on the mountains now. And I think it's gonna snow tonight, guys. At 12 PM, it's probably gonna snow here in Switzerland. So in the next stream you have white background, probably. Hopefully at least. I hope it's gonna snow. It is raining though, that's good. Now it only needs to get a little bit colder. I actually really love it when the snow is fully comes down to the village, basically. Like to the lake, I mean, when it fully comes, and when it's not just on top of the mountains. But yeah, I haven't taken a trade today, Sylvan. Haven't taken any trade. There have been some setups that you could have taken today, but for me this was just not a really good setup, especially not on a bank holiday. Wow, what was this bubble here? Crazy. 303 or 8. A lot of... What were these sells here, guys, just now? Did you see this? We had 300 market contract sells in one... Look at this here, 733 market sells. You saw the massive bubble, but the price didn't really dump. We had an insane amount of sells here just now. Did anyone of you also catch this just now? There was a 308 market sell, 308 micro contracts market sell, right here, and the price didn't go lower. But this was crazy. I hope not. It's raining like crazy already, but I don't think it's cold enough. I hope it's gonna snow, man. I hope it's gonna snow. If it's gonna snow, I'm also gonna go snowboarding. Maybe on the weekend. Maybe in the weekend. What is going on with the lightning, with the light here outside? Like with some dark clouds moving around. Weather looks so strange right now. Guys, we had so... This could be bullish, by the way. I'm not in a long, right? Because we didn't hit my entry yet, but... This is what I would have loved to see at my entry, by the way. We had 308 micro contracts that opened here at this low. And you can see the CVD here as well, how it went down. That's a bullish, that's absolutely bullish absorption. So they got all absorbed by limit buy, by the way. They all got absorbed by a limit buy order here. Someone dumped 300 micro contracts, market sold 300 micro contracts right here. And the price didn't move at all. That's absolutely insane. Guys, I want to have that much money to like trade. Imagine 300 micro contracts in one trade. I don't want to know how much capital this guy has. I mean, I open my trades with 2 micro contracts. Times 10, so 20 contracts for a 500k account. This guy just traded 300 micro contracts. Like what? That's 15 times as much, so we probably trades with around like 8 million or 10 million. Or more. Depending on the risk, obviously, he takes. It's raining like crazy right now. I'm sure it... Wow, look at this pump, guys. Since this guy went aped and sold 300 contracts here, we've been pumping. That was... I actually don't know when the last time where I saw 308 contracts. During such a low volatility day as well. That was crazy. Looks like my stop was the entry. Yeah, it looks like, actually. It kind of looks like. Yeah, what? It was exactly your entry. So Alan shared a trade and the stop loss was that was hit. Would have been right now the perfect entry for the long. Ah, that's so triggering. Don't get tilted, Alan. Just don't get tilted. I also have this happen to me sometimes. These are like the most tilting trades, honestly. If you have a trade idea, you hit stop loss and then the trade moves right into your direction. These are the most, there you just have to, best thing you can do is take a break, honestly. Take a break for at least 20 to 30 minutes before you trade again. That was me with the 300 contracts, you're welcome. One day, guys, one day we are gonna trade with 300 contracts. Hopefully. And we're gonna move the market. I mean, this was crazy. 300 sells right here at this price here. The crazy thing was we had 300 market sells in a second, but the price didn't move down. This is the crazy thing. So at this level, at this right level here, we had 300 new market sells. It was 700 in total, but one guy alone sold 300. We had 700 in total, but one guy sold alone 300. And the price didn't go down. Even the CVD went down, you can see it here, price didn't make a new low. That was insane. So this guy got trapped. This guy's trapped in his cells now. If we keep pumping, guys, these 700 contracts will be liquidated. Maybe he's even out of the trade. So this is what I would have loved to see at my entry at 6833, by the way. This is what I would have loved to see. Still a lot of buyers here, crazy. 500, you have a 470 positive delta here. Since this candle opened, it's gonna close in 4 minutes. So this is a bullish candle, bullish delta here. But it's crazy. That was exactly the stop loss of your trade, Alan. That low. Just don't get tilted by it. That's really important. That's unfortunate for me though, guys. It's really unfortunate. My entry would have been here at 68335. 68335 would have been the entry that I showed you before. And now it's just going higher without us, I guess. Part of the game though. I guess it's gonna be no trade today, most likely, guys. It is what it is. But I expected this already. I'm happy that I also didn't trade actually. Tomorrow we will have the normal trading day again, not the US bank holiday. CVD is going up, guys. A lot of new market buyers here. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day, honestly. I mean, it doesn't look like we're gonna go to my entry. Or should I stay online a bit longer? What do you guys think? Would you like me to stay online for like 20 to 30 minutes longer? I mean, it depends. If we go lower, I want to stay online still, because then we can maybe take a quick scalp trade from 68350. But today, no, I just don't like the price action today as well. And yeah, it's US bank holiday, guys. No tilt, I'm 2 for 3 today, and I think I'll call it here. Yeah, I would call it a day. I mean, you're in profit overall. I would call it a day and come back tomorrow. I mean, the market is gonna close soon anyways. We are pumping though. I mean, this was the low. This guy here, this guy literally sold at the low 300 micro contracts. That's crazy. I'll tune in tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna go offline as well, I think. It's not... I don't think a lot is gonna happen today, and I'm probably gonna close my limit, we'll see. But it doesn't look like we're gonna hit it anymore. And if we hit it, we're not only gonna have 2 hours to keep it open, not even 2 hours anymore. So it's not even really worth it to get into that trade. But we're gonna find a trade tomorrow for sure, I think. Tomorrow is gonna be really interesting. I wanna see a bit lower tomorrow, and then I'm gonna look for longs, most likely. But yeah, let's see. Guys, I'm gonna be live tomorrow again. Quickly before I go offline, I'm gonna show you the Discord as well. We have a giveaway running on Friday. I'm gonna stream it as well, guys. On Friday the giveaway ends. Sign up here for the link. You can join it here. You can also see my PNL, my wins, the wins of other people as well here. And we have a chat, we have an English chat. I also post my trades and my levels, by the way, guys, here for free under your analysis. Yeah, so join the Discord, guys. I will also post my upcoming stream on X and on my Discord. So follow me on X and Discord. That's the most important 2 channels. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow, guys. What a boring day, though. What a boring day. But it's part of trading, guys. You don't have to trade every day. Still fun stream, I guess. We had a good time. But see you guys tomorrow, and make sure to subscribe.